Hello everybody, this is your man Jason F. Smith, creator of the Shades of Intimacy and Modern Day Warrior, found at shadesofintimacy.com. Welcome to today's daily download, where today's topic is, where did it all start? The pit. So sit back, relax, and welcome to the daily download. So I often get asked, where did this all start? Where's this Shades of Intimacy, Modern Day Warrior, Elemental, Feminine stuff start? Like, what's the root of it all? The root of it is my pit. The root of it was my failed first marriage. The pit, the pain, the blame, the shame. You see, my first marriage was not very successful in some ways. In some ways, it was a total shit show, a complete disaster. I was unprepared, to say the least, for what hit me. My first wife suffered from addictions, alcoholism, drug addictions. I was ill-prepared for that. But to be completely honest, I was ill-prepared for other things as well. I was ill-prepared to just be a regular husband. I was ill-prepared to be a member of the church we belonged to. I was ill-prepared to be healthy in body, and I was totally ill-prepared to succeed at business. I was ill-prepared to be a father. I was just not fucking prepared. I didn't know what I was doing. And I struggled and I fought and I was valiant and courageous and I was committed, and I got knocked down and I stood back up, and it was brutal. Take the addictions out of it. I was not prepared in any way, shape, or form. I just wasn't. And then you add on the addictions on top of it, and everything was a total shitstorm, a shit show. I mean, it was hell on earth. It damn near broke me. It damn near broke my kids. And it did break my wife. She died. So everyone asks me, where did this start? What's the Shades of Intimacy thing about? It's about the pit. It's about my pit, and it's about your pit. It's about when things don't fucking work. It's when the institutions that you've been told your whole life will sustain you and keep you don't fucking work. And you hear the answers over and over again. Well, it must be you. If you work it, it will work. And I'm here to tell you that that was bullshit. Because I worked that motherfucker. And so that's what Shades of Intimacy is about. That's what Shades of Intimacy is. It's about making it work. It's about a system, a belief system, beliefs, mindsets, skill sets that fucking work. There's no doubt now, because they work in my life. I'm my own first case study. They work in my wife's life. They work in my children's life. They work. The system works. The Shades of Intimacy belief system works, powered by the Warrior's Way. It works. It's inarguable. It's irrefutable. And it was born in my pit, in my shame, my anger, my blame, my frustration, my hell. Because, brothers and sisters, I've been where it does not work on any fucking level. Some of you may be coming in and it's working in your body, but it's not working in your business. Or some of you may be working in your spirit, but not working in your relationship. It wasn't working at all for me on any level. Body, being, balance, and business were all total shit shows. And yeah, I kept going and kept fighting and kept going and kept fighting and kept going because I believed that there was something out there, and it was rooted in the love of my children. And I banged my head against that wall, and I fell to my knees, and I cried, and I prayed, and I went back to my pit over and over again, and I said, there is an answer, brothers and sisters. There's an answer for me. I didn't go there for you. I went there for me. I went there to find my answers, and I still go there to find my answers so that I can be the man I know I can be. I can become the king I am destined to be, to my children, to my queen, to my community, to my tribe, to my planet. The world needs liberation, and I had to liberate myself. And so that's what Shades of Intimacy is about. It's about liberation, freedom from the bondage of bullshit that surrounds us in our society, in our body, in our spirituality, our being, in our business, and most deeply, the bullshit in relationship and how we relate to our children and how we relate to that most precious relationship above all relationships, that relationship to our queen, or if you're a woman, to your man, to your king. Shades of Intimacy is a belief system born from the voice. What is the voice, you may ask? The voice is that inner authentic guide in your heart that shows you the way, that puts the patterns together and makes it all make sense and gives meaning to your life, to my life, to your children's lives. Brothers and sisters, this is what the Shades of Intimacy belief system is. This is what the workshop is about. This is what the intensive is about. This is about what the whole goddamn thing is about. It's about your relationship to the voice and how you want to show up as a father, as a mother, to those beautiful children, and to your king or to your queen. Because brothers, sisters, nothing is more worth it than being healthy in body, healthy in being, healthy in business, and most of all, healthy in balance, healthy in your relationship that is on fire with your woman, with your man, and with your parents, living a purpose-driven life. A purpose-driven life. Okay, brothers and sisters, from my pit to yours, welcome to Shades of Intimacy.